The magic of floating gadgets. A UFO mood light that's out of this world. Imagine a UFO-shaped lamp, hovering effortlessly in midair. Its LEDs creating a mesmerizing display. This isn't just a cool gadget. It's a testament to the power of creativity and community collaboration. The story behind the UFO lamp. A month ago, our friend Emotional Cow 1454 shared their vision on the ESP32 subreddit. They wanted to build a unique mood lamp, shaped like a UFO with a twist it had to float. The community rallied, offering a wealth of advice and support. And now the reveal. Emotional Cow 1454 is back. And their creation is nothing short of impressive. Take a look. For my UFO mood lamp, I aimed for a battery-powered design. I used a LiPo battery connected to a TP4056 charger, boosting the voltage to 5V using a DC-DC converter. The ESP32 and LEDs were then wired to this power source. I faced a challenge with soldering, and the magnet isn't perfectly aligned, but the result is still stunning. The technical breakdown. Power source. A LiPo battery, charged via a TP4056 module, provides the juice. A DC-DC boost converter steps up the voltage to 5V, which is then fed into a breadboard for the ESP32 and LEDs. ESP32 setup. The 5V pin on the ESP32 is connected to the breadboard's 5V rail, and the ground pin to the ground rail. Initially, they tried powering the ESP32 directly from the expansion board, but it didn't work. LEDs and soldering. The rest of the setup was simple, mainly involving wiring the LEDs. Emotional Cow 1454 sought help with soldering, and despite a slight magnet misalignment, the lamp floats beautifully. A community effort. This project showcases the power of community. The ESP32 enthusiasts came together, offering guidance and support, making this unique UFO lamp a reality. It's a great example of how collaboration can lead to amazing creations. And here's the controversial bit. Some might argue that the magnet misalignment detracts from the overall design. But is it a deal breaker? Or does the overall concept and execution still make this a remarkable project? What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.